Welcome back to my channel, but I have made a jumbo lip gloss. Now let's make not one mini lip gloss, but two mini lip glosses. So I have these mini things from mini brands, so we're gonna fill them up with lip gloss. I might do a different one with something else though. And I do have these little stickers I can put on them, but not that unless I'm gonna use some bubble in it. I don't know. I think that would be a good idea to put some bubble in here. But let's fill her up.
So first we're gonna start with lip gloss. We have to open this girl up. So of course some summer specials. And I'm only gonna have to use like 3 or not that much because it's mini. And only a neutral bit because that's very special. But now I'm gonna use some Tree Hot Lip Butter. Oh, geez, it's not coming out from the jumbo one. Bro, what is it doing? Okay, I'm gonna get some more. Okay, so I did use this lip butter and the jumbo one and made it like a purple. And I don't want that purple, so that's why I added a lot of red. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. You probably can't tell, but it's in there. Oh yeah, you can tell, I think. But now I'm gonna add the shiny to make it very shiny. I mean, y'all, look how shiny and sparkly and glittery. Oh no, I think I ran out from the jumbo. Oh no, it's coming. Oh no. Okay. Now some of this. Then of course some aqua for this big one. Almost knocked down my whole baby. No, that's way too much. Yes. Okay, we filled it up. Now I'm just gonna shut it and shake it. Look at that glitter. There's like so much glitter right there. So sparkly. Insane what I'm gonna do. Oh, you pissed on me? Because I have another one. 2. And I'm gonna torture this one. But that one ran this one. Yo, look at that color. In personal looks like a very pretty pink. The Aquaphor definitely made everything way lighter, which I adore, because I don't like the dark colors, but still mixing. Okay, so the key was too small, so now I'm gonna use a sucker. This one gets expired. I just randomly have it. An expired sucker from 8 months ago. Don't ask how I can remember. I just remember. Just kidding. It's not 8 months ago. I even know when it was. Probably like a couple years ago. Bro, it's getting everywhere, but we're done mixing it up. I might put a bit more Aquaphor. Actually, no. Okay, this is it. Let's try it on. I want to get my hands dirty, but I guess I'm gonna have to.